Bwana asifiwe. Kama umeokoka sema amen. High Excellency, I'm so honored to be in front of you. Acha nisidanganyane. You are, as women, our role model. You give us hope. And personally, as a woman in the media, I look unto you and I want to give up. And I fight on. And we just want to salute you today. This is something I wanted to tell you. We are so many who are looking up to you. You are our role model. Pia unatufundisha adabu kama mabibi na heshima. Saa ingine tunaongea sana. So we honor you and we thank you for coming. And to the management here at Softcare and all the invited guests, karibuni. As a brand ambassador, I take this opportunity to welcome all of you and feel at home. And one thing I want to tell you, Mama, is that Softcare is really impacting a lot of girls. We don't post all this on social media, but we go to high schools, especially girls' schools, and we talk to these girls. Girls are going through a lot. There's one specific girl who was telling me her own father raped her, and she has never told anyone. So these are the girls we go talk to, give them time to open up, and provide for them sanitary towels. And the Softcare brand have really gone out to stand with these girls who don't even have sanitary towels. So most of these things you don't see on social media, but on ground, the Softcare family is doing a lot of work. Mama, asante sana for coming to encourage us and encourage women, and God bless you.
Your Excellency, now I would like to invite Managing Director KEDA, Jack Lee, to make his remarks. Let's put our hands together and welcome him.
Her Excellency, the First Lady.
I'm in the warehouses.
Them. So, Mama, when you broke the grounds today, the glimmer of hope was elevated to another level. Because now we have seen it is a reality that resonates very closely to our hearts. That is a better agenda of this nation. Mama, our youth are going to get employment. So far, 1,500 have gotten employment. Today, now you've broken ground for thousands and thousands of youth to get employment. Mama, our chamas now will be able to get a new line for business. We are going to sell our products from Sunday International, that is Softcare, our diapers to women groups, the sanitary towels to the mamas of this nation, and we are truly grateful for you. I do not want to say much, but to sincerely say thank you so much and feel very much welcome to Machakos. And I want to tell you that this group has done us proud as people of Kenya because they have produced these products here in Kenya. We no longer import. And the quality is assured, both for the sanitary pads, the diapers, and even the soap that you saw there, Mama. I can assure you, I'm a partaker, is very high quality. So we are proud as Machakos to be part of this. And I would humbly request every one of us to kindly be upstanding, warm our hands, and as we welcome the First Lady to address us. Let us give her a round of applause. Moja mbili tatu. Karibu. Asante.
Asante sana, County Commissioner. Tunaweza kuketi. We may be seated. We may be seated. I'm assuming that Jack Lee and team now you know Kiswahili. Okay, Tom Lee, Managing Director, Sunda International. Jack Lee, Managing Director, KEDA Ceramics Kenya. Josephine Ouko, County Commissioner, Machakos County. Members of staff of Sunda International. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Good morning. Hebu tusalimiane, let's greet one another. Good morning. And happy International Women's Month to all the ladies present. Thank you. I'm honored to join you this morning here at Sunda International for the official groundbreaking of your new factory. This is a key milestone for Sunda Group operations, your employees, your customers, the community, and our nation at large. Receive greetings from the President of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto. He passes his sincere regards to Sunda Group in Kenya and the dedicated team behind this development. As we celebrate the groundbreaking of the new software production factory, we acknowledge and appreciate your commitment as investors to the growth and development of Kenya's economy. Your confidence in Kenya speaks volumes, and your contribution is valuable. I extend heartfelt gratitude to the directors of Sunda Group for the investments in manufacturing, particularly through their software brand of personal care products and the Typhoid brand of flooring tiles. We recognize Sunda International Limited for embodying the spirit of responsible cooperation citizenship. Your initiatives, such as providing schoolgirls in Machakos County with software sanitary towels and supporting the establishment of the Children's Office at Mavoko Law Court, are a show of commitment to uplifting vulnerable Kenyans and fostering positive change. Your continuous support of our organization Mama Doing Good has enabled us to further enhance the dignity of women and girls through the provision of sanitary towels and personal care products. These include your contributions towards the first African Climate Summit held in September 2023 and the Joyful Women 14th anniversary celebrations held in November 2023, as well as the donation we made to the women in Kisumu Women's Prison during this year's International Women's Day celebrations on March 8th. All these gifts were received with much gratitude. Asante sana. We value your partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, former President, His Excellency Mwai Kibaki, once said, and I quote, "Kenyans need to reduce appetite for foreign-produced goods and purchase more of our locally manufactured goods," end of quote. The remarkable progress achieved by Sunda International within just 5 years is an indication of the power of quality solutions that meet market needs. Kenyans have continuously consumed your locally manufactured products, and this has seen your brand secure a significant market share. This growing demand has created the need for the expansion we are kicking off today. The expansion of the factory promises to further amplify this success by tripling production and doubling job opportunities for Kenyans while embracing sustainable production practices, including solar power. I am particularly pleased to learn about your dedication to empowering women, with majority of the employees in this factory being female, including the inspiring leadership of individuals like Faith Mwende, the factory supervisor. Your commitment to uplifting our women sets a commendable example for other industries to follow. When we are intentional about gender equity in all spheres of life, women are uplifted. In the workplace, it enables the quality of production, making your products more attractive to the market. Women economic empowerment is very key for the development and growth of communities and nations. We are celebrating women as we mark the International Women's Month. It is important for all of us in our homes, institutions of learning, the organizations, to ask ourselves how we can accelerate not just women's progress, but also that of communities and our nation through investing in women, or by increasing our investment in women. I'm glad to note that Sunda Group is playing their part. We can also do more. The theme of this year's International Women's Month is Invest in Women, Accelerate Progress. In line with the theme, we need to give our women and girls the opportunity, tools, and information needed for them to thrive and progress. As you all know, when you educate a girl or give a woman an opportunity, you not only impact her family, you also impact the community. By investing in women, we enable more women to become financially included. This not only gives them the power to be economically productive, it also provides dignity, which every person deserves. Financial inclusion opens doors for women to take care of their families, bringing the much-needed transformation in their homes, which in turn supports the prosperity of their community and our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the launch of this new factory aligns seemingly with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better. By boosting manufacturing and supporting local industries, we are paving the way for sustainable economic growth and prosperity for all Kenyans. I'm confident that this new factory will not only contribute significantly to our economic, but also stimulate growth in related sectors such as agriculture, particularly cotton farming. By providing a market for cotton farmers, a sector that primarily employs women, we will support the ongoing efforts by the Ministry of Agriculture to revive cotton farming in Kenya. This will encourage the farmers to produce more cotton and, as a result, see the growth of the economy through contract farming-based agriculture. In conclusion, I extend my best wishes to Sunda, Kenya for the successful construction of the new factory and the continued growth of your enterprise. Your faith in our nation and your investment in our future are deeply appreciated. With these few remarks, it is now my singular honor to officially